In this video, I'm going to show you how to fold corners when you're trying to stretch your canvas over a stretcher bar. It's a process of folding and cutting, and this makes your corner lay down much better than just folding only, and it makes it easier. I have the canvas sitting up on its side, but you can do this laying down flat. I'm just using this vantage point to show you how to fold easier. So what you want to do is think about you're folding this thing kind of like you're wrapping the corner of a present. That's what I like to see. So if you were wrapping a present, this would be like one side, this one side, and this one side, and then you'd have these flaps that would fold over. So just put your thumb in here. And you can do this on any thickness of stretcher bar. I have thin stretcher bars that I'm using, but if yours are thicker, you'll have more room to put your thumb in. And then what you want to do is on this other side here, go ahead and fold a flap. So you've got a flap here and a flap here. And now you see, if you just fold this and you don't cut it, it folds over nicely. You can do that. A lot of people do this. But I think this flap under here that shows through is a little unsightly. And you see how it's just all like bulging up? I don't really like that so much. So what I do is take these scissors. Any scissors will work, but I like these small Fiskars scissors. The link to them is in the description. They work really well for this. So what I like to do is cut part of this off right here. And when you cut that, it allows you not to see that flap underneath, but you still have a little bit of bumpiness over there. So what I also like to do is go up here, and you want to make sure not to cut too deep up in there, but cut just a little bit of this bulk out. And then you see where it folded here? You can even cut some of that off. If you do that, and then you go ahead and refold, it's going to fold down a lot flatter and tighter without any bulging or bulkiness. And so then what I do is repeat this process to all four sides. Next step is to staple the corners. You can grab this with the stretcher pliers and try to stretch it, but sometimes I find it's just easier with these corners just to take them with your hands and stretch, because you can grip it a little bit better. And then I like to put some staples right here at the very edge, just to make sure that this flap doesn't come up. And you can see just how nice, once this is stapled, how tight and really good the corner looks. And that's how you staple and fold your corners. If you would like to learn the rest of the process of securing your canvas to the stretcher bars, check out this video. All right, thank you so much for watching. Hope this helps. See you next time.